Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Figma templates. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to the official website for Figma, which is going to be figma.com, and basically log in into your account. Now once logged in, we now want to start using our templates that we want to apply to our projects. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to the designer templates at the top section here. In this case, immediately you should be able to see different templates like diagram basics, daily sync, team meeting agenda, and user persona, and a lot more. But if you want to see more templates, just click on the all templates option here, and again you should be able to see all the templates that is available right now. In this case, maybe if you want to use the brainstorm template here, just click on the use template, and that should create a new project here, which in this case you should be able to start designing or even organizing whatever details that you have in here. But what if you want to use or expand your current templates right now? In this case, go back into the main page we recently logged in. Go to the very bottom, and you should be able to see a button that says "See More in Community." Let's go ahead and click on it. Now this should show you different types of templates that you could basically access. We have inspirational, we have team syncs, accessibility, icons, web, and a lot more. So maybe I want to use inspiration. Now, the great thing about this one for Figma is you could actually apply either use of Figma Jam or just insert widgets into your projects. For example, let's just scroll down a bit here and look for something that we want to apply. For example, this one is going to be a widget, so let's go ahead and open it up. And from here, let's go ahead and click on Open In. And we want to choose the project where we want to actually apply this one. So for example, we want to apply this to this project here that we just recently created. And from here, that would actually add that specific widget into our project. As you can see right now, this is the widget that we just added. Now in this case, you can basically do whatever here. So if you want to zoom in, so let's just zoom in really quickly. As in, this is going to be the widget that we just recently got. Now in this case, if someone actually wants to join, you could just basically click on join, and whenever someone actually joins your board here, you can just click on join here, and you should be able to start the rock paper scissors game here. Now another way for you to utilize different templates here is to basically open it up in specific, like open it in Figma Jam. So for example, we have open in Figma Jam. Let's go ahead and click on this one, and you should be able to see the interactive Figma land in here. Now if you want to share this to your like for coworkers or classmates, just click on share at the top right, and they should be able to basically join you in this Figma Jam or Figma land in here. Now in this case, you can just edit whatever here, control whatever as well, and from here you should be good. Also, you have some instructions on whenever you're using templates here, like selecting a character and whatnot. So you see right now, these are the characters, so you can move them around if you want to have interactions on it and whatnot. Now in this case, if you want to further, like for example, you want to further filter them, you could go to the top section here. You can either see the paid or free templates here. If you want to show Figma Jam, or Figma only, or Figma Dev mode, or if you want to show the following creators, for example, from a following creator, so this will only show types of templates from creators that you follow, or Figma partners only if you want that. But yeah, so that's how you use templates in Figma. That's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.